Morning, everybody. I'm gonna put my grease gloves on.
I just came to get my coffee.
You like my grease gloves? I ate some coffee with my morning gloves.
We're sharing coffee on camera now. Great. Shit. You good? Are you guys good? Drinking out water.
You have to bleep that out.
Man, being a super trucker's hard. Then I got my slippers, my super trucker headset, my water, coffee, my radio, because this thing don't have Bluetooth, and best of all, Brody's sunglasses. Ready to go.
These truck drivers, I tell you what.
We're high maintenance.
I do a lot to keep
Check
these
the
guys
tires
happy.
on this thing, or?
I did, yeah, they're good to go.
They told me to feel out, but we're good.
Well, you have 28 miles on your fill-up, so I think you're good to go.
Should I back out of the driveway, or go?
Are you be able to shift on camera?
Oh yeah.
You didn't put your slippers on yet.
No, because, you know, I'm gonna have to help Mike hook the corn head up. Don't want to do that with my slippers.
Okay. Can't you get the slippers dirty?
No.
Okay. Would you like to explain the art of backing up?
The art of backing up.
Yeah. Would you like to explain it?
Just don't be dumb. Well, you got to decide which way you're gonna go. So
Which way are you gonna go?
I'm gonna back up to the west. So I need to stay on the east side of the driveway. Is
You're
that
gonna
right?
send the trailer that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm doing it right? Now you're questioning me.
You're the super trucker. You tell me.
You're right.
I just drive the crank car.
Can't super truck if you're blocking my view.
Field's that way. We're going that way.
No. Mike's not even ready yet, so we're just taking our time.
I know. I forgot my sunglasses. I'm gonna get my Baldy coming outside on it. So. Hey, you're shifting pretty good.
Super trucker things.
Check this out. It's Brody's lunchbox that he left on the back of the vertical till, and then he drove off.
All right, YouTube. We got the second to last load of beans. There was 90,000 on the grain cart, so I guess we had to make it 2 truckloads instead of 1. Brody's bringing the last one, and then we'll be switching over to corn. All of our beans go in bins at the main home farm, and all the corn goes to the elevator. Really close to filling the last bin up. We only got 90,000 more pounds to go in it, so we're gonna climb it. Hopefully it fits. I don't think it's gonna fit.
Hope everybody's having a great day. We're certainly having a great day. I'll show you here. We are on our last field of beans.
And to refill the auto greaser. You know, this is usually the grain car operator's job, but he's too lazy. That's all right.
Right here. Would you like to tell everybody what we're up to here?
Oh, you know, just add more lights to the cart. These were on the grain cart, but we wired them wrong, so we had them out for a couple weeks. And we think we know how to put them back on, so we're gonna try again. Mike doesn't like when the strobes are going off in the combine next to the grain cart in the field, because they're a little bright. Do you remember what colored wires we used?
Red and black.
You know,
Okay, people of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all our social medias.
cool. We're talking to everyone now, huh?
We are talking to everybody.
Got a little lazy and didn't want to run wire to the, it's probably really windy for him.
Yeah.
Anyways, this is where the switch is. Because that's too much wire, you know.
Go ahead, turn it on, I'll show them.
If the grain cart wasn't 60 feet long, it'd be a different story.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in the daylight here, but when darkness falls, we'll have to turn it back on for everybody. Don't follow too closely, you might get blinded.